In this video, I will show you how to use an N26 virtual card. So I'll show you how you can use it online and in person, so in a store. So first just open up N26 and click cards in the bottom right. From here you will find all of your cards, and for me the one called Simple is a virtual card, so just click on your virtual card. Then once you're in the virtual card, what you can do first in order to use it online is click details, and then once you click on details, then from there you can just enter those details somewhere where you are shopping online, and then for me it's linked to my main account, so then it will just take it from my main account balance. Then the other way that you can use it, and that's also the way that you can use it in person in a store for example, is to click on Add to Apple Wallet. Now for you it may be Google Pay if you have Android, but just click on Add to and then whatever it says, and then here just go and follow these steps. And now the card has been added for me. Now you can set it as default if you want. And now when I double click on my on and off button, which is the way it works on iPhone, then Apple Pay will open and I can now pay with passcode, and then I can just use my phone to pay, and it will then be taken from my N26 virtual card, as you can see right here. So that's how to use your N26 virtual card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.